Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you should use ActiveCampaign. It's an easy and effective tool for your email marketing needs. If you want to give it a try, I've included a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial or log in if you already have an account. Let's dive in. ActiveCampaign is known for its powerful and intuitive automation features. With its drag and drop builder, you can create highly customized workflows that cater to every stage of the customer journey. Not only does this save you time, but it also helps increase customer engagement and drive more conversions. Reason number 2 is powerful CRM integration. ActiveCampaign isn't just an email marketing tool, it's also a robust CRM platform that helps you manage your leads and customers all in one place. You can seamlessly integrate your email marketing campaigns with your sales processes, track customer interactions, and manage deals directly within the platform. Plus, with features like lead scoring, you can prioritize your hottest leads and focus on the ones that matter most. And reason number 3 is extensive personalization and segmentation. In today's market, personalization is key to standing out in your customer's inbox. ActiveCampaign makes it easy to personalize your emails based on customer data, behaviors, and preferences. With ActiveCampaign, you're not just sending emails, you're creating personalized experiences that build loyalty and trust. And before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. We deeply value your viewership of our video and appreciate your continued support. Thank you.